I've been waiting all night.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong.
Good morning, Accra. Jennifer. Good morning, guys. See our view from our apartment, rather our studio apartment, guys. Take that view in, okay? Thank you. Take it. I give it to you. Take it. Oh wow, this is our view from our room. So gorgeous. Guys, hope you guys are doing well. You guys can see I am looking fresh-faced, well-rested, okay? Look at that view right from this bed. So pretty. Let's not go into what happened after we landed in Accra. The tiredness, the stress before we go to our apartment. Like, you guys, I couldn't pick up my camera again after leaving the airport. Between when I left the airport and now, I have not been able to pick up my camera. But let's just say we are well rested. This place is so cozy. Like, I don't know whether I'll show you guys what this room looks like, but maybe when they've done housekeeping, because now we have turned it upside down. But one fact is that it's beautiful, it's lovely. It has this lovely Nordic Scandinavian modern theme that I love so much, and you guys will see what it looks like when it's well arranged. But yeah, you guys will see, don't worry. I'll do like a mini tour. It's not like a full apartment, so I can't do like a full video for it, but you guys will definitely see what it looks like. All right, what's the weather like outside? Is it cold?
No, it's not cold.
It's warm, but
yeah,
it's cool, but not
cold.
Not cold, right? So yeah, guys, we are in Accra. We are in Ghana. Super excited to be here. And what is our plan for today? I think today we want to go. We'll definitely go out this morning. We want to go see. There's this monument in Accra. This Black Star Freedom Monument thing that everybody that comes to Ghana goes to, so we'll definitely go there today. And then we'll definitely go to the mall because we want to buy a few things for the room, wine, snacks, you know, just random stuff. We're definitely going to buy that. We'll go to Accra Mall. Then we also wanted to go to the beach today, but it rained, guys. It rained so heavily, so heavily in Accra this morning. In fact, it was even the rain that woke me up, because the wind that was blowing there, it wanted to blow off this whole apartment, in fact. But yeah, so I don't think we'll go to the beach today. Maybe we'll go to the beach tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, Monday at this point, because tomorrow. But yeah, we may do nightlife today as well. Yes, we may do nightlife today because today is Saturday. We couldn't do anything yesterday, that was Friday, because we were so knackered by the time we got here. So that's the plan for today. And yeah, guys, I will take you guys along as always, because you guys know I'm not alone in Accra. You guys are here with me, okay? Almost see, I'm glowing already. Excuse me, I'm glowing already now. Look at, no, I'm not joking. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Started out so small. We drank and
Okay guys, so just a quick tour of our room. All right, so when you enter the door right here, we have this lovely kitchenette, and it's so fully equipped, guys. It's like, it's crazy how fully equipped this kitchenette is. But it is equipped with everything, trust me, from a washer and dryer to an oven, a stove top over here. I saw me bringing out tea things, right? Set of knives are here. There's a plant over there. There's a cupboard over here with everything you need to cook if you need to. Pots, pans, and all of that. We have this smoke extractor thing here. And there's a kettle here. Kitchen roll here. This sink, I'm in love with this sink. Like, the quality is just killing me. And the tap itself, the quality. You guys saw the pressure of the water that was coming out of this tap. There's a microwave up here. Over it, there's another shelf that has like chopping boards, bowls, and everything here is so much great quality. There we have mugs, we have wine glasses, we have tumblers, we have bowls over here, breakable bowls, we have breakable plates, and then over here there's a blender. There's a toaster. Like, it's so fully equipped, guys. It's crazy. Then we have a rice boiler. Inside there we have, I think it's a juice maker or something, I'm not really sure. That's insecticide if you need it, and this is where the trash is, so that's really good. Oh, there's a fridge here, by the way. Cutleries right here, and coming in here, sorry, that's my dress I'm wearing today. Our boxes are here because the wardrobe space in this room is not very big. That's the wardrobe over there. It's not really big like that. So we have our boxes here. The TV is right here. There's an AC up there. There's a table here. Again, we have stuff. We've stayed here for a night, so we have things all over the place. But yeah, very nice decor that they have here. Very, very cute. I love this table. 2 chairs, 1 and 2. And then I love this full plant. You guys know me, plant sucker. Really, really cute. I love this clock. Like, I'm obsessed with this clock. The AC is up there. And then the wardrobe is right there. Okay. And then I love our bed. Like, our bed, so cute. I love it so much. And then I love these frames above the bed. I'm obsessed. We have a bedside table there. We have a lamp as well. My phone is charging. We have a lamp there, and then we have this gorgeous aesthetic mirror. So cute. The bathroom is in here. Jennifer is in the bathroom. I can't show you guys the bathroom right now, but the bathroom is also clean and minimalist. I'll show you guys much later. This is our balcony. I know, cool, right? We have a chair, we have a table, we have this gorgeous centerpiece here. We have a second chair right here at the balcony, right? I love it so much. I love the view. This place, I love it so much. We have a lot of white people staying here because it's white people vibes. And yeah, look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the greenery downstairs. So pretty. We'll go downstairs later and check it out, but basically that's it. Okay, so this is the bathroom. We have a toilet here. We have a sink here, right? This is the bathroom. Very nice. And the pressure from these taps, this shower head, amazing. There's a foot mat right there. That's it. Basically, our bathroom is very simple. Oh, that's me, by the way. Yeah, our bathroom is very simple, but yeah, we are ready to head out in a bit. I have my afro bun up today. Decided to wear my afro bun. No wigs today, please. Just my natural hair and my afro bun. And I'm wearing my Danfo dashiki. All right, this is Nigerian girl in Ghana, so I'm wearing my Danfo dashiki. Yeah, and I look pretty simple. I'm thinking of changing my earrings though to like maybe like the hoop, but I don't know. I think this look is okay for me. Oh, I'm loving this look. And this mirror, this mirror in the bathroom is my new favorite mirror. Okay, I just have on these slippers, and yeah, I'm loving my look today. No lashes, and I'm loving my look without lashes today. So we are going to the Freedom, is it called Freedom Square? I'm not sure what it's called, but when we get there, you guys will know. It's a popular monument here in Ghana, and we are going there first. Then from there, we're going to the mall to buy a few things, and then we'll come back to the apartment and then think of what we're going to do tonight, because we really want to experience nightlife today, Ghana nightlife. Today is Saturday, and we feel like today is the best day to experience Ghana nightlife. Since we could not do that yesterday being Friday, we have to do that today, Saturday, because we will not have another Friday or Saturday in Ghana, so it has to be today, right? But yeah, guys, let's go. Outside, yeah, outside. See how she's looking like one badass Pop star. I'm really like assistant.
No, that's so. Alma. Alma is even using red lipstick. Like,
Oh yeah. My darling, will you fly with me?
She got to know me, I got to know her, and suddenly it's war. Then peace are on and off. She's getting to me, I'm getting to her. Here's what I've been thinking. Here's what I would do when two people are thinking you should get.
Guys, we are here. We're about to go inside right now. You guys, we did not come to Ghana to come and play. We are about to. We didn't come to Ghana to come and play. We are about to create content on the road, on the Ghanaian road. But yeah, this is one of Ghana's most famous monuments. It's called the Black Star Square, the Independence Square, and there's a stadium right there. Yeah, but yeah, let's go in and take some pictures. AD 1957, freedom and justice. Wow, I always see this on YouTube and Instagram. Feels so good seeing this in person. So good.
We met in July, summer ride or die. But summer don't last, and neither should we. I won't break down and cry. This happens all the time. Yeah, we happen too fast, way too high speed. Here's what I've been thinking. Here's what I would do when two people are thinking you should get them out the pool. Here's what I've been.
Alright, so we are leaving the Independence Square. We're going to Accra Mall because we need to get a few things from ShopRite or so. Just look around basically before going back to the apartment and getting ready for our night workout today. So yeah, guys, I'm excited.
Heart is getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Now can't take it anymore, I need a time out. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Started out so small, we drank and then we talked. She got to know me, I got to know her, and suddenly it's war. Then peace are on and off. She's getting to me, I'm getting to her. Here's what I've been thinking. Here's what I would do when two people are thinking you should get them out the pool. Here's what I've been thinking. I don't know what else to do, so I'm forever calling her truth. She's a roller coaster ride going up, down.
she help me and see Jennifer. Why will I be on holiday and I'll be washing clothes? Hello, as in, why? Why will I do that?
She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. First to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for a puppy love. Heart is getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, I need a time out. Not 20 anymore,
I have this yogurt in Nigeria before. I think it's a Benin Republic product. Yes, Republic of Benin. It used to be stocked in ShopRite in Nigeria, but I haven't seen it in ShopRite in years, and I found it in ShopRite here in Ghana. So, in fact, husband, if you're watching this, remember these donates? We're always buying this all the time. And they have like different flavors: strawberry, banana, vanilla, pomegranate, apricots, you name it, they have it. And we picked what? Banana and apricots. Jennifer only bought one because she just wants to try. But trust me, a trial will convince you, baby. I haven't had jelly in a long time. I haven't had jelly. So when I saw jelly, I'm like, yes. So I got a pack.
I thought that's for me.
Look at me. I'll carry jelly after 6 days.
I thought this was me.
Oh my god. I missed jelly.
Yeah.
Run me down, them run me down. Count me out, them count me out. Hold it down, Mia, hold it down. One man, Mia, hold it down. Cool it down, Mia, cool it down.